In this video, I want to show you how to duplicate your map in Arcgis Pro. For instance, I have this map and I have my data here. If I want to duplicate this map for one reason or the other, for instance, I may want to modify this map, but I still want to keep this. So to duplicate it and work on the second one is quite simple. So to do that, come to View. When you come under View, click on Catalog. This will open the catalog. Then come to Maps. So here is your map. So this map, if I want to duplicate it, what I will do is that I will right click it, and here you can see duplicate. If I click on it, in few seconds it will be duplicated. So it has duplicated it as map 1. So the next thing I can do is that I can rename it so that it can be easier for me to identify the duplicate from the original. So to do that, right click and click on rename. So I can rename it as duplicates. So you can see I've renamed it as duplicates. Now to work with this duplicate, what I can do is to double click it. So if I double click it, you can see it's trying to open the duplicates. Yes, here is the duplicates. Here is the original map and here is the duplicate. So from here, I can work with even another set of data under this very duplicate map, or I can modify the data here or the map itself. For example, if you work for a client and he asks you to make some modifications, instead of changing it entirely, it's far better to duplicate the map and effect the correction on the duplicate so that you still keep the original data. And in case there is a need to revert to original data or original map, you'll be able to revert easily. So this is how to duplicate your map in Arcgis Pro, and it's very essential when you want to make edits or modification to your map. You duplicate it so that it can be easier for you to keep the original one while you make correction or modification to the duplicated map. Thank you for watching.